The industrial style takes its inspiration from old factories and industrial spaces that have been reimagined as lofts and other living spaces. Think open design, bare bricks, metals, and wood, plus salvaged or recycled materials. It's relaxed and unpretentious and brings feelings of simpler times. To work this style into your bathroom, our top tips are to choose a vanity with exposed pipes or metal accents. Install a statement shower or tub. Add vintage materials and colors. Go for exposed lighting. Complete the style with industrial accessories. An industrial-style bathroom uses materials that look like they come from an earlier era, even if the materials are brand new. Material and color choices tend to be dark, i.e. black fixtures, darker colors, rough details and generally giving off a masculine vibe. You'll find no pastels, florals, or soft details here. Brick is a great choice if you are going for the industrial look in your bathroom. If your building already has brick, you are in luck. If not, there are brick options that look vintage even if they are new. Alternatively, go for brick-styled tiles. Terracotta is a great choice. Darker shades of green, purple, or orange sing industrial vibes all the way. However, if you've already got a lot of design features in the bathroom, a simple white or cream may be just the right choice to let the details and accessories shine.